Today is Tuesday, so that means it is time for a Tiny Tidy Tuesday. In today's Tiny Tidy, I am showing you guys how I clean and shine my sink. Stay tuned. Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. Today I am going to show you guys the steps that I use to clean my sink and to make it shine and sparkle. I hope this video motivates or inspires you, and maybe you will clean your sink along with me. I want to thank Sunday Dawn as always for putting the Tiny Tidy playlist together. How she does this each and every week is absolutely remarkable to me. We are getting ready to celebrate our 2-year anniversary, so that means she has put a playlist together for 2 straight years almost now. So please check out her channel, The Helpful Home, and today's Tiny Tidy playlist, all located in my description box below. Let's get busy shining that sink. Before I start cleaning the sink, I just want to show you the products that I'm going to use so you can go grab any products that you might need. I am going to use the Dawn Power Wash to just rinse out my sink before I start cleaning it. And I'm going to use the Scrub Mommy sponge to do that cleaning with. You can use any type of dish soap that you want and any type of sponge or cloth that you want for that as well. Then I have the Mrs. Meyer's baking soda cream cleanser. You could use baking soda, you could use soft scrub, whatever you want to use, whether you want it to be like a natural product or a product that you purchase, but I'm going to use this. I also have a sponge. It's a walnut scrubber sponge that I'm going to use. And then I have an old toothbrush that I'm going to also use in the cleaning process. I have a microfiber cloth to dry the sink with. After everything is completely dry, I'm going to take some olive oil and another microfiber cloth, and I'm going to just shine the sink with it after I am finished. You could use any kind of oil. You could use baby oil if you wanted. You could even use something like vinegar will sometimes help it to shine. You could also use like a Windex or something like that if you wanted to. Now that we have our product, let's make sure that everything is out of our sink.
Saw you paint a picture of a face that wasn't even close to mine. I know I shouldn't be in love, but it's so hard to move on. You haven't changed, you stayed the same. But if you did, I still love you anyway.
Now that I have it nice and clean, I'm just going to let it dry for a minute, and then we're going to take our baking soda paste and we're going to clean it. Now that I let it dry for a couple of minutes, I'm just going to take this baking soda cream cleanser and I'm just going to put it inside the sink. I'm going to take this walnut sponge to clean the sink with, and I'm going to use this toothbrush for hard to reach places like in my garbage disposal and in my drain.
The world like I promised I would. Even though you wouldn't do the same. conversation more than 10 times. After 9, I still wish you were mine. Haven't ate in 7 days, 'cause I've been up till 6 a.m. 4, 5 songs all just for you. 3 of them I can't bear listening to.
You can see that I have a lot of gunk on my toothbrush, and I'm making sure to really clean that rubber part of the garbage disposal.
I give you the world like I promised I would. Even though you wouldn't do the same.
Now it's time to rinse, and this time I can just rinse with cold water or hot water, whichever one you choose.
Give you the world like I promised I would. Even though you wouldn't do the same. Anything you want me to. 'Cause I love you.
Now I'm going to take this microfiber cloth and I'm going to wipe it out. You could just use a regular towel or paper towels. Really, it's up to you. I'm also going to make sure that I clean my hardware and that type of thing.
This time I need to wait it out. Hold on tight, there's a storm standing in the eye. When it rains, it pours.
Drying the sink ensures that it takes off any extra residue or soap scum or anything that might be left in the sink.
And you sure know how to make me cry.
Now we are all ready to give the sink a little extra shine. I'm going to use this olive oil and another microfiber cloth. Again, you could use any type of oil that you would like, and you could use any type of cloth that you would like. I'm just going to take the oil and drip it onto my cloth, but try not to pour it all over the floor like I just did.
Thank God for the moon and how she lights up the sky too.
And then I'm just going to rub it all over the sink, and it's going to help it to sparkle and shine. I'm just going to put my soaps back, and then I am done. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I would love to have you become part of my growing YouTube family. Just to make sure to click on that subscribe button and make sure that your notifications are turned on so that you will receive a notification each and every time that I post. And remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.